You're not going to believe this. I just got back from the grocery store. I got 4 bags of groceries, not large bags, just normal regular size bags. And it was $70 for 4 bags of groceries. This is getting ridiculous. Let's be honest. Inflation is not under control. I don't see it being under control anytime soon, in all honesty. And this is why I will continue to help women break their financial budget barriers and not have to stress every time they go to the grocery store, because this is ridiculous. That it takes this amount of money now just to get little snacks and stuff in a dinner for one night or two is $70. That's just, it's real ridiculous. It just really gets me. And that used to be something that stressed me out. I now help women start an online automated business that is always working out there for them 24/7, so they can literally be making an income while at the grocery store, dropping the kids off, being a stay-at-home mom. Maybe you have a full-time job, maybe you're running another business and you want to do this with it. I can help you. I can also help you start and grow a ministry online. So comment ready below, because I'd love to share these details with you.